video is about the enhanced version of Vica42, and I have added features. I have fixed some bugs, and I want to show you how to import data into this latest spreadsheet from an older workbook, so that you can have the latest features and bug fixes, and without typing in all of this data here. So I'm going to copy this design out of the way. Okay, it's done. It copied it into the next available column over here in this area, in the saved designs area. You can see I've been running this at different voltages and different parameters, and if you want to save a design, that's how you can save it. You just have to remember where you put it. Now what we want to do is let's go and import data from an external workbook into this column here. Or we could overwrite one of the other ones, it doesn't matter. So let's say I want to go to this one. I don't think we need, because there's no worksheet in this workbook other than like a 42 design that has design data in it. But let's go to a workbook. It's running slow because the video recording is on. And pick any workbook. This is the current workbook, the one that's updated. So we want to go, let's say we want to get data from this worksheet, this workbook. So I select it and hit OK. Where do I want it to go? I wanted it to go in AF. You can overwrite any of these that you want. AF. And it says correct the data if necessary, then use the copy in icon, which is this one. So let's check this. And lo and behold, there's something wrong here. Things are out of line. See how they're staggered? And that is because in this spreadsheet I have the mid-stick thickness, the insulator between the main and aux windings. And the old one did not. So we wonder what, let's do this. And this is the latest one. Let's do that. I copied. And now these are staggered. Let's move them all down one row to account for the new row in the newer workbook. So I'm going to copy these. I did a Control C. And I want to put them down here, but paste as values so I don't lose my colors. Okay. Now they seem to be moved down okay, except these colors aren't too good. Numbers look okay. Not sure what's going on here, but let's copy that to there. Copy that to there. Copy that to there. Colors really don't matter much, but it's disconcerting for them not to be the right color. These, we want to paint these. This is more fix-up than I thought we'd have to do, but it's better than manual intervention, which leads to errors. Okay, so now we've got our copied data and we can do the copy in from AF. And let's, to make sure, well, let's just call this trial 2, just for fun, just to make sure we're copying the right column. What was it, AF? Ah. Okay, and here's our data that we copied in from that external.